Welcome students once again, and let's going to continue in arithmetic progression exercise number 5.4, and here we discuss question number 1 and 2, and then after exercise number 5.4 you can also practice question number 3, 4 and 5 is today's homework. Now let's start with question number 1 from the exercise 5.4. Which term of the arithmetic progression 121, 117, 113, etc., etc., etc. is the first negative terms? क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि यहाँ पर अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन हमें दी गई है 121, 117, 113 डैश डैश डैश। इस अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन को लेकर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है Which is the first negative term? इसकी पहली नेगेटिव टर्म्स कौन सी होगी? यहाँ पर अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन आप देख सकते हैं डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज हुआ है। So we have AP having a first term is equal to A is equal to 121, and common difference means the difference between the two consecutive terms T2 minus T1 is equal to 117 minus 121 equal to minus 4. Now take nth term formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore an is equal to first term is 121 plus n minus 1 into common difference minus 4, and now open the bracket and simplify this. We get an is equal to 121 minus 4n plus 4. Simplifies in the next stage is an is equal to 125 minus 4n. Now for the first negative terms an is less than 0. जब less than 0 होगा तभी तो वो negative terms consider होगी. So that's why an is less than 0. Now put the value of an. 125 minus 4n is less than 0. That means 4n is transposed to the next side, and we get 125 is less than 4n. Now divide both the side by 4, and we get 125 by 4 less than n. 125 by 4 is converting to the mixed number is 31 integer 1 by 4 is less than n, or we can also write here in the same manner n is greater than 31 integer 1 by 4. That means the first negative terms is 32nd term. First negative terms is 32nd terms. Now one more example. Look here, question number 2. The sum of the third and the seventh term of an arithmetic progression is 6, and their product is 8. Find the sum of the first 16 term of the AP. Here T3 and T7 is the two given terms, and T3 plus T7, the sum of the T3 plus T7 is equal to 6. That means T3 plus T7 is equal to 6, and product of the two terms is 8. That means T3 multiplied by T7 is equal to 8. Now let's the first term is A and common difference is D. So we get here T3 is equal to A plus 2D and T7 is equal to A plus 60. Now according to the given first condition, T3 plus T7 is equal to 6. So put the value of T3 and T7, and we get A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is equal to 6. Now open the bracket and simplify this. A plus A is equal to 2A, 2D plus 6D is equal to 8D is equal to 6. Now 2 is the common factor, or divide both the side by 2, and we get A plus 4D is equal to 3 is called the result number 1. Once again repeat, A plus 4D is equal to 3 is the first result. Now according to the second condition, product of the two terms T3 multiplied by T7 is equal to 8. So put the value here also. A plus 2D multiplied by A plus 6D is equal to 8. Now look here, A plus 4D minus 2D, we are simplifying with the special form. A plus 4D minus 2D, that means 4D minus 2D is equal to 2D, and 60 means 4D plus 2D. So first factor is A plus 4D minus 2D, second is A plus 4D plus 2D is equal to 8. Now A plus 4D is equal to 3. From the result number 1, we substitute here and we get 3 minus 2D, and 3 plus 2D is equal to 8. Now expands of the form both the factors, and we get 9 minus 4D square is equal to 8. That means 4D square is equal to 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Then both the side divided by 4 and we get d square is equal to 1 by 4. Now square root both the side and finally we get d is equal to plus or minus 1/2. Plus or minus 1/2. Okay dear friend, अब तक का जो काम किया ये आपको अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ जाना चाहिए। यहाँ पर दो कंडीशन दी थी, T3 प्लस T7 हमारे लिए 6 था और T3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय T7 हमारे लिए 8 था। इन दोनों कंडीशन का काम करते हुए सबसे पहले हमने T3 और T7 फॉर्म कंसिडर किया हमारे nth टर्म फॉर्मूला से, जो फॉर्मूला है Tn इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी से, और ये दोनों रिजल्ट हमें मिले T3 के लिए a प्लस 2d और T7 के लिए a प्लस 6d। इन दोनों को प्लस करते हुए हमने कंपेयर किया और सिंप्लीफाई करके सबसे पहले हमने रिजल्ट फाइंड आउट किया। ये इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट है a प्लस 4d इज इक्वल टू 3। अब दूसरी कंडीशन को अप्लाई किया T3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय T7 और इसमें हमने 2d टर्म से इसे अरेंज किया है। किस हिसाब से? 2d का मतलब है 4d माइनस 2d और 6d का मतलब है 4d प्लस 2d। इस हिसाब से हमने दो फैक्टर्स अरेंज किए जिसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन 8 है। यहाँ पर रिजल्ट नंबर 1 से इसकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूशन की और फिर वापस दो फैक्टर मिले 3 माइनस 2d एंड 3 प्लस 2d इक्वल टू 8। इन दोनों को हमने एक्सपांड किया तो मिला 9 माइनस 4d स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 8 और सिंप्लीफाई करने से ट्रांसपोजिंग ऑफ द टर्म्स करने से हमें मिला 4d स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1। दैट मीन्स d स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय 4 और स्क्वायर रूट लेकर हमने यहाँ पर दो वैल्यू फाइंड आउट की, प्लस 1/2 एंड माइनस 1। अब दोनों केस को हमें यहाँ पर सॉल्व करना है। इफ द वैल्यू कंसिडर d इज इक्वल टू 1/2 then a plus 4d is equal to 3 is the value. Substitute d is equal to 1/2 and we get a plus 4 into bracket 1 by 2, 2 2s are 4 and then a plus 2 is equal to 3. Now 2 is transposing to the right hand side and we get a is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. That means a is equal to 1 if d is equal to 1/2. If d is equal to 1/2 then a is equal to 1. Now substitute the value from in the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to 16, a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 1 by 2 consider. Therefore 16 by 2 into bracket 2 into 1 plus 16 minus 1 into 1/2. 2 1s are 2 and 16 minus 1 15 multiplied by 1/2 so 15 by 2. So look here, S16 is equal to 8 into bracket 2 plus 15 by 2. Now cross multiply and simplify the bracket. Finally we get 2 2s are 4 plus 15 is equal to 19 by 2. 8 multiplied by 19 by 2. Now 2 divided by 8 and we get 4. So finally 4 multiplied by 19 is equal to 76. So first answer in the first case, if d is equal to 1 by 2, S16 is equal to 76. Now in the similar way, here we considered d is equal to minus 1/2 and then put the value in the result number 1. A plus 4 into minus 1/2 is equal to 2 2s are 4 and a minus 2 is equal to 3 and then finally we get transporting to the minus 2 in the right hand side and we get a is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That means a is equal to 5. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर d की वैल्यू माइनस 1/2 कंसिडर कर रहे हैं तो a हमें मिलेगा 5. नाउ वंस अगेन सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू इन द फॉर्मूला Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into bracket 2 multiplied by 5 plus 16 minus 1 into minus 1/2 and we get with the simplification 2 8s are 16 so 8 into bracket 2 5s are 10 plus 15 multiplied by minus 1/2 that means minus 15 by 2. Next step is S16 is equal to 8 into bracket 5 by 2 because 10 2s are 20 minus 15 20 minus 15 is equal to 5 by 2 and 2 4s are 8 so finally we get the product 4 5s are 20 that means S16 is equal to 20. So dear students, दोनों सम्स आपको अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गए होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के साथ इस लेसन को हम कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं, फिनिश कर रहे हैं। इस एक्सरसाइज से रिलेटेड आपको 3 क्वेश्चंस होमवर्क में कंप्लीट करने हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 4 एंड 5। वंस अगेन रिपीट, होमवर्क फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 5.4 इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 4 एंड 5। ये आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं। यहाँ पर ये एंटायर चैप्टर भी हम ख़त्म कर रहे हैं इस वीडियो के साथ। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ मिलेंगे, नेक्स्ट मैथ्स के चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद और गुड बाय।